be fervent in spirit. Okay, fervent. Fervent in the Bible means to have a passionate, wholehearted, and intense dedication to God, His will, and others. The term carries the idea of being spiritually boiling hot, burning, or glowing with zeal, as opposed to being lazy or apathetic. Yung fervent spirit, kabaligtaran nung tamad at walang kagana-ganang buhay pananampalataya. Do not hold back in what you do. Let the Spirit burn in you. Work hard for the Lord. Okay, be fervent in spirit. Paano mo mapagyayaman yung supernatural life mo? Do not hold back in what you do. Kung ginagawa mo yung best para kay Lord, bigay mo yung best talaga. Walang good, walang better. Dapat pag kay Lord, laging best. Fervent prayer life, fervent devotion in God's Word, and fervent spirit in service.